Tirita rĩa mbere ministry ya migunda gukorwo igumirwo ni mirutire ya wira na gutire minister uri woka akaga kwirira muingi mugaruruku. Riu minister wa migunda Jacob Kaimenyi hamwe na kamiti ya kurugamira migunda ni metikirite ati ministry ria atongoragia ni igumirwo ni ngukumio na uheani wa title igiri na uici wa migunda ya muingi. Uhoro ucio uratumbirio ni maofitha a thirikari na turanime.
We also have issues to do with double titling in a number of the adjudicated areas. People who have been allocated their land are now getting strangers claiming ownership of the same using new title deeds. I think this one we are not going to allow, because now that makes a mockery of the whole process of adjudication.
Oho ni ogire kuga ati ni maguthagania gikaro na kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini kwarira mitaratara ya gwetha kihonia.
In the next 1 or 2 weeks we are going to have a meeting with the EACC, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, so that we can figure out how to conduct a systems audit of the entire ministry with a view to addressing where the concerns are with regard to corruption.
Kaimenyi oho ni oritie kamiti ya kurugamira migunda National Land Commission itithire gucokio kwa mugunda wa cukuru wa andu aria mari mawathe ma kuigwa mwena wa Kwale uria wigwatirwo ni mundu kiumbe.
Some people grab land that belongs to government. Like now here there is a school for the deaf. How can somebody go and grab land that belongs to the public to a school? Is it also just the deaf children? So we have agreed with the chairman of the National Land Commission. Is going to move quickly, subtly, and do that which is important.
Nimetikanirie ati no nginya migunda iria yowetwo ni andu kiumbe na ni ya muingi icokio kuri thirikari. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Simon Macharia wa Wangui.